Hi guys, so I am back and I just wanted to share with you guys my country Prim little angel. She is so stinking cute and I'm loving the way she came out. She is absolutely adorable. Just look at those eyes, those cute little cheeks. So yeah, she can also stand on the table. But yeah, she could also be hung as a wall hanging. So I'm loving it. Honestly, I like the way she came out. I might make a couple more and take a break from making dolls, but I love the way she came out. She's so stinking cute. So I'm gonna do a couple of extra, maybe with a darker skin tone and darker hair color and different color angel wings. But yeah, I just love the way she came out. I will be listing her in my Etsy shop. Right now I only have the one, so and everything has been like selling out thanks to this very special person. Like I've basically sold everything in my shop. I have very few items left. So yeah, hopefully this gal will sell really quick. She's really cute. Got a glue strand here, but yeah, she is so cute. Let me know what you guys think. I think she's adorable. So yeah, I will be listing her in my Etsy shop. That's Heavenly Treats for You, number 4, letter U. The Krafty Kim shop is no longer working, so yeah, it's a new shop. And yeah, see you guys my next video. Hit that thumbs up and yeah, hopefully you like this video and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.